Hello everybody, welcome. Now I was thinking what to do today. So I'm going to cook something. Now this isn't my recipe, this is a supermarket recipe. But everything I bought, altogether, it cost me £9. But it serves 6 people, well apparently, so the recipe says. So, what's that, about £1.50 a person or something for a meal? So let me show you what I got, and see if you can work out what I'm going to cook. Right, I got myself 500 gram of minced beef. That's the only one I could get because that's the only one in the other power shop. So that one was quite expensive. That was £3. They usually do a cheap one, but they didn't have it in. So that's to do this thing. Otherwise it would have been cheaper. I got myself 1 celery stick. Got myself 1 onion. 1 red pepper, got some French fries, got some cheese, and I'll put it all in a bowl, ready. 6 tablespoons of, what's it called, barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of English mustard, 2 tablespoons of garlic granules. It says garlic cube, garlic, so I'll just put granules in. And 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You know what I'm cooking? We're saying this off the Tesco website, and I'm going to cook their version of sloppy joes. That's what I'm going to do. Right, that should be warmed up now. So I'm going to get all this in first, all my bits, my peppers, my onions and my celery. I'm going to get all that doing its thing for a few minutes. It says 5 minutes and then it says stick the beef in. So I'm going to do it as instructions. Right, now I'm going to stick the mince in now. And break all that up. Right, while the mince and that is doing its thing, got to mix all this up, it says on the instructions, together. Just give all that a mix. Right, that's all mixed up now. All done. Just waiting on the mince to brown up. Right, that's all browned off now. Now it says to get all the sauces in. Get it all in. And just give it a mix. So this isn't my wet recipe, this is a Tesco wet recipe. I wouldn't have done it this way myself, to be honest, but I want to try it, their recipe. And to be fair, it does smell nice. I would love to try a proper one, American one, a proper sloppy joe. Right, that's all incorporated now. So I'm going to put that on to simmer. While that's doing, I'm going to get my chips in. Right, I'm just going to have myself a handful of chips. Get them in there. And loads of chips in there, look. They'll take about 10 minutes in there, the French fry ones. Get it on. 200 degrees, go. Well, I'm just going to toast the bun while that's doing. I'm not going to keep it on because of the air fryer, you'll hear all the noise. Right, everything's done. Now the one I make is usually a little bit more sloppier than this, but we're going to try it anyway. I'm turning that off. I'm going to get it on the bun. Now it says in the instructions half an iceberg lettuce. I mean, I've used 1 leaf. So I don't know why you'd want half. I'm going to get some of this on the burger, on the bun. Pile it on. A little bit more. There's that. Looking nice. Bit of cheese. Get that on top to melt. And my bun. And your French fries. There we go. £1.50 meal. I don't think you can moan at that, can you? Sloppy Joe's burger, Tesco style. And French fries. To be fair, it looks quite nice. Yum yum. But say it's all in the taste of the burger, or the Sloppy Joe. So let's give it a taste. So what do you think? Or you live in America, does that look like a proper Sloppy Joe's to you? Yes, no, probably not. So don't give me the 8, it's Tesco's recipe. I'll leave a link anyway to the Tesco's website to the recipe. So in case you want to try it. But it looks nice, to be fair. The chips, big bag from 72p from Aldi. And the chips are gorgeous, but it's all in that, innit? Let's try it. It did say in the instructions, taste and season to your liking, but I didn't take it because I want to taste it now. So I don't know if it's too sweet, not sweet enough. Salt, or I didn't put any salt in it because it didn't say to. I wanted to follow, but there it is. Looks quite nice. So let's give it a go. That's quite nice. Could have been a little bit sweeter, but it's very nice. Maybe a little bit more brown sugar in there, possibly. I'll tell you what, for £1.50, that'd cost you. Don't forget it does 6 people. And obviously you'd have chips left over, and you'd have a lot of ingredients left over. The only thing you wouldn't have left over is the mince, and probably some more buns. That's a thumbs up from me, Tesco's, yeah. I quite like that. I put a bit more sugar into my taste, so a bit sweeter. But that is nice. I mean, there's loads left. Let me show you. There's a saucepan full left, frying pan full left, so it would do 6 people. There you go. Let me know what a proper one tastes like, and if anyone knows how to make a proper one, American one, because I'd like to get that a go, proper one. If you want to see more supermarket recipes, budget, let me know. And I'll try and get the price as low as I can and cook them as their instructions, but we obviously cheaper items, like, so I've got all these items from Aldi, not from Tesco, because obviously it's cheaper. So anyway, I am the Old Food Guy. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. Oh, nearly on 1,000 subs. You believe that? Absolutely, thank you every single one of you. Wow, unbelievable. Till next time, see you later. Bye bye. Bit more. Have a bit more. It's quite nice. £1.50 meal.